So the next one that we're going to end up doing is going to be this really cool starburst thing. And as you can see, it's divided into 4 sections. There's 4 different vanishing points here, and there's like this little star shape in the middle. So anyway, so the first thing that we're going to do is what we did with the circle right here. Remember, on the circle we made an X and we found the middle, so we'll end up doing that same thing. So connect your corner to corner. Don't make a really dark line because you may end up erasing this line. We may end up using this line, but all your lines, keep in mind that things will smear less and you can erase a lot easier if things are relatively light. So coming out of that X, we're going to do a vertical line. And just a reminder, of course, it's going to go through this little middle part right here. You could do a little dot there if you like, but I would definitely recommend and tell you to line up the ruler with the top line right here to make sure that things are even there. Gee. Okay. All right. And then what we'll end up doing is the same thing, but we're gonna go this way. We're gonna go through that dot and just make that ruler go straight. I'm just lining it up with that line, and the trick is to make it go through that dot. All right, so right now, if you look without this little crisscross thing, we're starting to have our 4 sections. And what we've got to do is we've got to find the middle of your 4 sections there, for your 4 vanishing points there. So unfortunately, this line right here, this was made by the copy machine, so I would tell you to try to ignore this line right here. Don't let it confuse you as you go. But anyway, so what we'll end up doing, we already have a line going this way. And we'll end up from the corner of that first little square section. Let's see, let me line that up. So you'll make that, I do a little dot right there. And you'll do the same thing on the other side. There. If it's not lining up precisely corner to corner, erase it and all of that. I'm having to look at this thing on both sides to make sure that I've got it. Okay, so after this point, what you can go ahead and do, like we've got a dot in the middle here. You could go ahead and, you're not gonna make big dots or whatever, you're gonna make kind of little petite, little tight dots. Right there. All right, and then we'll make our next little video.